y'all, this is Debbie with the Crafty Diamond. In today's video, I have a small shop haul that I wanted to show you. I've gotten some of these a while back, but I wanted to wait until I had several in order to do a small shop haul. So I wanted to go ahead and show you just a few things that I have purchased lately. I did go ahead and I bought a new Xyron machine. This is the small one. It is really good to use if you do not have the stickers that come with your canvas. And so I have one that I bought in 2015, and that's one of the larger ones. And it's hard now to find the actual sticker sheets and the tape. And it's also really expensive when I do find it. And it is very wasteful because it is so wide that if you don't have more than one that you're doing, you're wasting a lot of the tape. So I went ahead and got this. It was on back order forever. So it's finally come in and I'm glad that I've gotten it. I also went ahead and purchased 2 of the repositionable sticker tapes. So that way it will come off easier, or I think that it will. I had the permanent with my larger machine, and that one is very hard to get the sticker sheets even taken off of my containers, and even to try to pull away the tape to get to the sticky part, that's really hard as well. So this one is going to work out really nice. So I'm going to get everything out of here. I just put it in this envelope. Okay, so I bought some washi. Both of this washi is from Simply Gilded, and I thought that would be really pretty. It looks kind of Christmassy. Put this on this side, maybe you can see it better. There's kind of a glare. And then I bought this one that's more of a green, and it does have little ribbons on it. So that would be really pretty. This pen I had gotten from Amazon. It has a Halloween. It's supposed to be bats, but it's kind of hard to see. And then I have gotten a pen finally from Mad Wood Turning. And this one, these pens are very hard to come by. I actually had to special order this one. And if you can see on the inside, it has little flowers and it has butterflies. So it is absolutely gorgeous. It is wood. It does not come with placers. So I do have single placers I'm going to add to this that I have that are metal. And I also have a 7 placer that I'm going to put on this. But this pen is absolutely gorgeous. I've heard nothing but really good reviews from Mad Wood Turning. And Sarah, who is part owner, it's her and her husband, she is absolutely amazing. Their customer service is one of the best out there. Every time that I've had to message Sarah, within just minutes, she will message me back. I had an issue with my shipping, and she was right on it. So I was so thankful for that. I also have, that's from Mad Wood Turning, I have from Mad for Minders. I have never purchased from them before, and I've heard a lot about them. I like how their minders come on a card, and it's madforminders.com. I'll put all this information below underneath the description, but they do have the backs of them on here, so they don't slide anywhere when they're in transit. And so I purchased, I'll take these off of here, and these are wooden ones. I purchased a little snowman. That's going to be really good for one of the ones that I'm going to work on in December. I had to get the black cat. These are very strong magnets too. I had to get the black cat because that looks like my Salem, except she doesn't have any white under her neck. And I'm really into gnomes lately. I'm not exactly sure why, but I am. Let's see. Okay, this one is going to be for Halloween or Thanksgiving. It's pumpkins. Then I have this other little gnome that says Happy Holidays. I thought that was really cute. And then this one is my absolute favorite. I don't know what I'll use it for, but this also dates me on my age, and that's okay too. But this one is Mrs. Beasley. I just loved Mrs. Beasley when I was little. I ended up having 3 of these because I had them for so long that the stuffing was coming out, and my grandmother bought me another one. But Mrs. Beasley talked. She was one of my favorite dolls. I don't know what happened to her, but she was also on a show called Family Affair, and I loved that show when I was little. But when I saw Mrs. Beasley, that was the first thing that I had in my cart. So I love these minders. And if you're not familiar with cover minders, these help to hold back the release paper or the cover paper that's on your canvas. And sometimes I use them as actual minders, and sometimes I just have them when I am diamond painting to keep me company, especially with Mrs. Beasley. But my husband saw her and just laughed. He said, "That's really, really dating you." I also have some release paper, and this came from 4Kids at 147, also known as Add More Zest. And I like her release paper. It's a perfect size. It is not too thick. It is not too thin. And I bought a couple other things from her, and so I went ahead and ordered some more release paper. I also, and I've been using this, so I bought some chit from, I wanted to show you this first. This is Marshmallow from Enabler's Outpost. This smells so good. Pumpkin pie. And I really do like this. It's Romanian for putty. And it smells so good. I leave them out whenever I am diamond painting, but this lasts in your placers, whether it's a single placer or multi-placer, it will last for a very, very long time. That is one of my favorites now. Also, my favorite is Randa's Crafty Corner, and this one is Harvest Spice. I have Pumpkin Spice. So I'm all about the fall right now. And then this one is Fall Farmhouse. And I use these as well as the chit, but I have been just using these in my multi-placers. Started using it in my single placers to see if I liked it better than I do the glue dots. And so I've been using this now in my single placer as well. And let's see, and then they gave me some candy. But I hope that you enjoyed this small haul. It's not really a lot, but I'm trying not to purchase very much until the new releases come out, or they have some Christmas sales. But I love these minders. And I hadn't heard of this company, but Laura with Diamond Paintings by Laura, she has purchased from this before, this company, Mad for Minders, and I saw them and I knew that I had to look. And as soon as I looked, I saw Mrs. Beasley, and so I thought I would need to get some more. I'm not going to buy just one. So here's my little haul, and I cannot wait to use this pen. I've been putting it off until I could show you guys. And then I have these two Simply Gilded, and then this little pen from Amazon. I'll move that out of the way. And here's the Mad for Minders. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but that's a card that came with it. I'm going to put my minders back on there so that way I will remember where they came from. Although I shouldn't have a problem because these are the only wooden ones that I have. So I think that's really fun too. Thanks so much for watching. If you are not a subscriber, I would love for you to join our family here. And I would also like for you to click on that like button if you enjoyed this content, so that way I will know to continue with this type of content. Also helps to get my videos out there. And until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.